How is everyone doing today? It's mystery license plate package 321. It's crazy, right? It's a good one too. So like I've been telling you, video after video after video, if you're watching on YouTube, it's the best place because you'll see the special features. If you're watching anywhere else, awesome still, shout out, thanks, but you should watch it on YouTube. Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy, because you'll learn more stuff about this plate than right here, right now. So let's get to it. What did I say? We're on 321. Look at that. You know what that is, right? That's a Marty bag right there. It's got to be a good plate. What do you think it's going to be? Upside down. That's what it is every time. 1997 Arkansas used car dealership. M4053 used car dealership. That thing is just minty. Like, look at the shine on that. Arkansas, 1997 used car dealership. This guy's going right here. It looks nice and sexy right underneath Pitt University. If you've been watching along, you know all about that plate, don't you? So, it's a mystery plate package. 321. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. And we're going over to special features to see if we can find any more used car dealership license plates from Arkansas. Let's go on a trip, should we? Okay, let's go. I'm going to special features. Woo! Looks like you made it. Special features. 321 mystery plate package. We got an Arkansas used dealer plate, 1997. First year I could find for there. They also had a blue one from 1997. It had an EX on it instead of the M. I don't know what the difference is, but it was there. I also found 98. It's white with dark blue. 99. What do we got for 99? White and red. Canada colors. 02, we got another white and dark blue. Cool quad number on there. Quad 4s. And in 2005, the stickers started. U-Drive plates. Sorry, UD plates. Used dealer. U-Drive something else, I think. I don't know. But we scoured the interwebs and we found a whole bunch. Shout out to alpka.org. We found some cool stuff. Like Iowa, 1923. Black and yellow. That one's pretty cool. Just got the UD on there. And then a newer Iowa, 1977. We also found the one and only year Kansas did it, 1935. Black and orange, long, skinny looking plate. That thing's cool. Really cool. I found a lot more than I'm going to show you in this little special features, but you'll see them in the credits. So keep watching. Don't turn off the TV or the phone or the computer or whatever you're watching me on. And hit that subscribe button. Okay, next, we got Maine. It's purple on cream or something like that. Pretty wild looking, 1964. It's random purples through the 60s. I don't know. They were on some wild stuff. In 2018, still got Maine, but they just got a yellow stripe top and bottom. Let you know it's something different. Used dealer, the used dealership. Used cars, the clunkers, the beaters. What else do we got? We got Maryland. It's a silver one. We got Rhode Island. Blue and yellow. It's kind of cool looking, right? Rhode Island. And we got West Virginia, 1948. Black and yellow. So there's going to be more in the end credits. I know I'm just going to keep you here as long as I possibly can. But that was Arkansas. Used dealer plate. Nice shiny mint, never was used. It's nicer than the cars it probably would go on. I'm Wooly the Crazy License Plate Guy. Have an awesome day, awesome week, awesome year. Find some cool stuff. Get a used car, get a new car, take the cab, take the bus, walk, ride your bike. Do whatever you want. It's your life. But hit that subscribe button. Okay, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks again, alpka.org, for letting me access the archives and get all these awesome pictures so I can show all you people this amazing video. alpka.org. Become a member today. Meet a lot of cool people. Get the magazine. Collect some license plates. I'm only the crazy license plate guy. This has been 321, and I'm out of here.